Just to make you smile, that's the motive.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be dealing with this mess. And by the way, if I ever look up like this, I'm looking at the mirror in my bathroom. So right now, my hair is looking a hot mess. I have high porosity hair, which means it soaks up a lot of moisture, but it also releases moisture just as fast. And because of that, my hair gets dry if I don't moisturize it every day. So probably twice a week I try and do a style so I can like re-moisturize my hair, at least like a protective style. I try to do a protective style twice a week, moisturize it, protect it for 2 days, moisturize it again, protect it for 2 days, and then like co-wash, just so my hair isn't dying. But today marks the death of my hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my twist out, and it's going to be a flat twist out. This really isn't a tutorial, it's just me showing you my way. If you like that way, then it can be a tutorial. So the first thing is water, preferably in a spray bottle. That works well for me, just so I can control it. And I moisturize with the liquid oil cream method, the lock method. That just works the best for my hair, and it's the easiest to remember. As long as I have a liquid, a oil of some sort, and a cream of some sort, then I'm all good. So my oil is some African shea butter, and normally in the summertime I use like coconut oil or like a lighter oil, but because my hair has been so dry lately, I've wanted to use a heavier oil just to lock all that in so I don't have to moisturize it as often. And then I'm using the Shea Moisture, Manuka honey, and Mafura oil intensive hydration twist defining custard. I got this for my birthday and I really like it. It's very, very, very thick. I've looked into Shea Moisture products, and their ingredients are some of like the most natural, best ingredients, without all of the preservatives and the sulfates and the parabens and stuff. No, this video isn't sponsored because I don't have that many subscribers. This one is the Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel, and this gel is like flaxseedy, kind of slimy, but I like it. It's very light and it gives you a hold without the crunchiness. I really don't like the crunchiness. So I'll be using that. And this is what I found at Marshall's. I've never seen this before. It was $4. It's the coconut and hibiscus on the go conditioning hair fragrance. I just like to end my styling now with a scent of this, just because natural hair people smell like fruit salad anyway, but this is like the topper. It's more so like, I can't explain it, but it's a oily type spray. It's not really like a alcohol-y spray. It's kind of like a sheen spray almost. That's what it feels like, a very light oil sheen with a ton of fragrance. So my first step would be to decide where I want my part. And I'm not a fan of middle parts, but lately I've been enjoying them. Just because I thought I didn't have the right face shape for it, but live your best life, who cares? So I take that part all the way to the back of my head. This helps me position my twist better when I just do half and half. If I had a side part, I would like part accordingly. But I'm doing a half part today. Just some ponytail holders to get that out the way. And I do one side at a time. So I'm not the best at teaching how to do a flat twist. I can link some videos in the description box that teach how to do flat twists really, really well. To be honest, it's less about the parting and more about the tightness of the twist, because the parts are gonna be concealed anyway. you really want your twist to be tight and defined and moisturized. I wet my scalp as well as my hair, just because my scalp is dry. And honestly, like in the summertime, my hair is super thick and super hot. And I just don't have the patience to deal with it. I'm putting some shea butter on my scalp, kind of like grease, almost, just because my scalp is really dry. And shea butter melts at room temperature, so it will be solid for a while, but you have to like work it in. Also, I have heat damage. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we're trying to bounce back from that. So I'm gonna take the twist defining custard now, and it has a very light scent, which I like. I like my hair to smell good, but I don't want it to smell like fake, you know? And this stuff is super thick, very moisturizing. If you can see like the before and after, just adding that, like wow. I'm gonna take the gel and I'm gonna put that on as well. And gels are kind of known for being drying, but this one is so the opposite. I really didn't like Shea Moisture. I was a Cantu person, but I was looking at some of the ingredients in Cantu and some of like the preservatives they use and stuff. I was like,
oh no, honey, no.
I'm gonna have to do my research and see what products I can replace. But I'd rather pay for something and know what is in it than not pay the $3 extra and not know what could be affecting me long term. And that's the thing about being natural, like it affects multiple aspects of your life. So, getting off the deep track, I'm going to start. So, this will be my first attempt at explaining a flat twist. I have two strands right here, A and B. I twist A over B, B over A, and as I twist A over B again, I pick up hair. So B is here, I pick up some hair. A is here, I pick up some hair. B, A. And I'm doing this pretty tight because a flat twist it loosens up, unlike a braid, which if you braid loose, it's loose. If you braid tight, it takes a really long time to loosen up. But this flat twist, like the tension on this twist right now, won't last forever. So I'm trying to do it as tight as possible. And a pro tip is that you brush it while you're twisting it. That's just so when you untwist it, it's very easy and very uniform, especially since it's on the scalp. And two, you get better definition. Another pro tip is to put gel on the bottom because ends dry out really fast and you want those defined as well. And frizzy ends means a frizzy twist out. So there it is. Nice and uniform. And I'll do this all the way around. So I lied. I wanted to show you how my hair came out. This is after I finished everything. Yeah, so I just followed the parts. Did it all the way to the back. And as you can see, my hair super defined and moisturized. So yes, that was it for this portion. I am going to go to bed right now, but the next time you will see me, we will be taking these twists out. So see you then. What is up? It's Saturday night and I'm ready to take this out. So I wanted to film the final portion of this video and show you guys what this twist out looks like. So I'm gonna take the Blue Magic hair conditioner dress, and this is just because I couldn't find like an oil that I wanted to use. I just heat that up really well, and I just take it out. I really liked how it turned out. It's super defined. It's super shiny. So this was the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to see more from me. Have a great and beautiful day.